How to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. No mods or hacks needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the Nintendo Switch System Settings. First, go to your Switch home screen. Open System Settings, scroll down, and select TV Settings. Make sure you're playing in docked mode for the clearest view. Step 2. Adjust HUD Settings in Fortnite. Launch Fortnite. Go to Settings, navigate to the Game UI tab, the one with a monitor icon. Set Reticle to on. This is your basic crosshair. You can't change it officially, but here's a workaround. Step 3. Use a transparent crosshair overlay. Search online for transparent PNG crosshair images. Download your favorite one to your phone or tablet. Tape a tiny dot or printed crosshair onto your screen using transparent tape. Line it up with the center while aiming in Fortnite. Alternative method for advanced users. If you use a monitor or capture card setup, you can add a crosshair overlay through OBS or streaming software. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and Nintendo Switch tricks.